All right, so we are looking at the book and we are taking a sneak peek of the book to kind of decide how we're going to read it. So I'm going to use this book, The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog. And the first thing that we can do is we can look at the cover. And so what I'm seeing is that the pigeon has a hot dog and the pigeon is getting ready to eat the hot dog, and the duckling is kind of peeking in and the pigeon is looking over at the duckling, and I'm not 100% sure what's going to happen after that. But I'm thinking that maybe the duckling is sneaking up on the pigeon. So that could kind of change the way that I'm reading this book. And so now I'm going to look at the back of the book. I'm going to look at the blurb on the back of the book. And the blurb on the back kind of gives us an idea of what the book is going to be about without giving away the really exciting parts. So, when the pigeon finds a delicious hot dog, he can hardly wait to shove the entire thing into his beak. But then, a very sly and very hungry duckling enters the scene and wants a bite. Who will be the more clever bird? And so that kind of makes me think that the bird and the two birds, the pigeon and the duckling, might be like both trying to get the hot dog. And so now I'm going to do what is called a picture walk. And a picture walk is when we look through the book and we look at the pictures and we kind of try to make some thoughts about what we think is happening in the story without actually reading the words. So I will show you. So right here in my picture walk, the pigeon looks very excited here, and he found his hot dog, and he still looks really, really excited. And he still looks pretty excited, but right here, the pigeon comes in, the duckling comes in, and the pigeon does not look so excited anymore. The pigeon looks kind of angry, or maybe not angry, but annoyed. And, all right. So now he's still looking pretty annoyed. Do you guys notice how I'm not reading the story? I'm just looking at the pictures, and that's what we're going to be focusing on today. Using the pictures and using the clues that we get from the pictures and the cover and the blurb to kind of make some thoughts about how we're going to read the story. And so here he's kind of back to being excited about eating the hot dog, and then here he looks shocked. And here he looks excited again. I'm kind of thinking he's excited because I'm looking at these little drawings of the little lines. And then here he looks like a sassy pigeon. A super sassy pigeon. Oh, and he is still looking sassy. Oh, so we still are looking at a sassy pigeon right there. And then we've just got kind of shocked. Oh. And now this looks like an angry pigeon. A very angry pigeon. This pigeon looks kind of tired and annoyed. Oh my gosh. This pigeon looks very angry. I'm still thinking he's kind of angry right here. Oh, still angry. Look at that eye. That's an angry eye. And then now he looks just kind of happy. And so what I'm going to do, and what you are going to do as well, if you have sticky notes at your home, is I'm going to go through the book and kind of think about those observations that I made about what the pigeon looks like and how he's feeling. So when I first opened the book, right here, I said that the pigeon looked excited about finding the hot dog. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a sticky note and I'm going to write excited, and then I'm going to stick it on these pages. And this tells me when I'm reading that I'm going to read it excited. And so, this pigeon, at this point the pigeon looks annoyed. So I'm going to write that on one of my sticky notes. Annoyed. Annoyed. So that's how I'm going to be reading it. And we're kind of looking shocked right here. This pigeon looks shocked. So that's what I'm going to write on my sticky note. Shocked. And then right here, this is where we start seeing a sassy pigeon. And I had already written a sticky note for sassy. This is our sassy pigeon. And he stays sassy for quite a few pages. We still got a sassy pigeon right there. Sassy, sassy. And then we get to the mad pigeon. This pigeon, oh, I covered his head. This pigeon is mad. And he stays mad for a couple pages. Especially this page, right? Super mad right there. Mad, still mad. And then we've got kind of a calm picture right here where they're both eating a hot dog. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to read this story using the clues that I left for myself. Okay? So I'm going to use the clues that I left for myself to read this story. So this is The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog by Mo Willems. All right. Oh, a hot dog! Yummy, yummy, yummy! May I help you? Scooty, scoot, scoot. Is that a hot dog? Not a hot dog, my hot dog. I have a question. I've never had a hot dog before. What do they taste like? Well, they are a taste sensation. Each morsel is a joy, a celebration in a bun. If you've never experienced the splendor of a hot dog, you should really... Wait a second. This hot dog is mine. I found it. Of course, enjoy. Go ahead. Would you say that it tastes like chicken? Can you believe this guy? Oh, now we're... It just tastes like a hot dog, okay? Okay. So it doesn't taste like chicken, though? Oh, for Pete's sake. I'm a curious bird. That's it. It's my hot dog, right? Mine. This is unbelievable. Finders keepers is what I say. I'm a curious bird. What do they taste like? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, right. I can't take it anymore. What am I supposed to do? I think I have an idea. You know, you're a pretty smart duckling. Needs mustard. All right, do you guys see how I kind of changed my voice when I was reading based on the picture walk that I did? And I used my sticky notes to kind of mark how I was going to read the book and how I was going to change my voice. That's what I want you guys doing today. I want you to take a sneak peek at your book and decide how it wants to be read when you take a sneak peek. And so the 3 places that we can look are the front cover, the blurb on the back that says what the story is about without giving away the exciting parts, and you can do a picture walk where you look at the pictures and you kind of make some notes about how you think the book is going to be read, and then you read it that way. So that's what we're doing for reading.